Okay, gentlemen, we are still in our 1 megawatt project in Damaturu, that is Lope State Teaching Hospital, and now we are in the equipment section proper, where we used Luna 2000, that is 200 kilowatts hour each. That means each cabinet we have 200 kilowatts hour storage, and the AC output is about 200 kilowatts. Now, in this scenario, the battery was connected in series to increase the voltage. Now, each cabinet is having over 1000 volts. That is why we have a transformer for a step down. So in this scenario, we used 550 watts Jingo solar panels, and the configuration was done based on the PV inverters, because we are using up to 8 pieces of 50 kilowatts PV inverters for the day load. Okay, so now we used about 890 pieces of solar panels, Jingo solar panels in this project. Now, in this scenario now, the PCS, the rack controller, and the CMU and all the component was carefully configured, and the system is on. Now, this is the PCS. What is a PCS? In this cabinet, a PCS is a section that converts the DC circuiting to an AC. Okay, this is over 200 kilowatts hour one, and this is the cabinet. This cabinet is we have about 200 kilowatts hour lithium battery embedded. Okay, everything is centralized and it's 2 units. Now this transformer steps down to 1000 volts coming from the cabinet down here. Of course, we know that the primary side is always high voltage, so we have about 1000 volts here, while the secondary section steps it down to about 220 to 40 to our main low voltage panel. Okay, now this is our combiner box, that is for the PCS combiner, that is PCS1, PCS2. All right, comes in as high voltage. Then the output of this PCS goes to a transformer. The transformer steps it down to this other cabinet. This cabinet here, please go. All right, steps it down to this cabinet here for distribution. Okay, you can see we have indicator light showing the status of the equipment proper, and this cabinet is another important cabinet where we have our PV inverter coming in. All right, these are the different breakers for the individual PV inverters, and this is the output. The output works together simultaneously with what our 2000, because it's work in combination. Now this inverter help the day load, instead of the day load being taken from the 2000, it's being taken straight from the solar panel.